Yo, what's up? You know who it is. You know what we about to do. So we about to basically go to the shop and do some more rear end diff work today. I'm planning to take the diff and possibly like put the axles on today, and try to see if I get them solid mounts that I have gotten in today, put them on. So gotta go get some gasket maker, guys, and that should be about, hopefully I got some time for me to do all that. So that's what I'm planning to do today. I want to take this time out though to really sit down and talk to you guys just for a quick second. So as I was saying, I have noticed I went back on my channel a couple days ago to look at a couple of videos, you know, just to rename some stuff and refix some stuff, and I realized a lot of the videos is kind of whack, and it comes down to what I'm recording and what I'm saying, and I'm surprised none of you guys has not hit me back up on it. I mean, the quality, it's like it's all over everywhere, but I'm going to try to go here forward, try to do better. The HitFilms that I'm using right now is HitFilm Express 2007. It's cool for somebody that knows how to use it. I'm currently looking at another editor right now. What I'm using right now is HitFilm Express 2007. It's cool for somebody that uses that edit and they know what to do and how to really use it to the display. For me, I don't know how to use it to my display. I don't really know how too much to use it. So I'm going with a different editor. Hopefully I can get that. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, it probably won't be until 3 weeks later, which hopefully I have that on my camera stuff in, because I'm ready to start moving up and filming and get better quality pictures and stuff. I'm watching so many other people. Yes, they're advanced than me, but there's a couple of things I would like to do in my videos, so I can stop saying it. I can just throw it up in my videos, and if it pops up, and that's that. But I don't know how to do none of that. I mean, I don't have a person sitting down talking to me about it or showing me how to do it. It's just pretty much I'm learning as I go. So on that note, I'm getting a better editor. I'm getting some better quality film stuff for the camera. Today I'm planning on using the camera, so it's going to probably go back and forth. It's going to look kind of weird, just to let you guys know ahead of time. But I'm just going to try that out and see how that looks. I need to see how it looks out in this video, and maybe I can move forward. If it comes out good today in video, maybe I can move forward for the lens I got right now. I just have to be extra careful with this lens. But if not, you know, yeah, I'll just wait till I get the other lens. But with enough said, let me go up here to AutoZone. I gotta go 2 places before I go to the garage. I gotta go to AutoZone, gotta get some gasket maker, and I gotta go to Home Depot, and I gotta get some stuff. Hopefully the pool. Oh yeah, and one other thing, guys, before I get ready to leave out and go up there, just want to let you guys know, if it's a lacking content right now from here on out, your boy have content. This probably won't have too much time of filming it, let alone doing the job. I currently started another job starting tomorrow. I'm basically working 2 jobs, and it's something I need to get something done for my personal life, just to let you guys know. So just let you know, don't be like, where the heck he's at, what's going on, he haven't put out a video in like a week or 2. You know, content's there. I just gotta find time into trying to do this. Currently, right now, I only make videos on Sunday, and I don't drop it till sometime during the week. And that's, you know, sometime during the week. That's when I have time for editing. But I just want to let you know that I do have content. I'm still doing stuff this month. You just gotta bear with me. But on that note, let me get ready to go up here now. So, just got friends getting out of Home Depot, picked up some things. Hopefully this works. I kind of like looked it up. So, let me show you guys. So I picked up this for me to pull it in a little bit more. Hopefully this stuff works. I mean, I'll show y'all when I get all to the garage. I don't know how good this is gonna work for me. I gotta see if I still have my pulley my pulley puller. I gotta see if I start that in the garage. If I do, it make things a lot more better for me. If I don't, ugh. So, but we about to go to the garage right now. So we made it here to the shop. I just tried to set up the camera. The lens is too further in. I don't know. I'm not gonna fuck with that thing, wasting time. But let's start with this diff. So here's the diff. This is how it came out from the last video. I think it came out alright. I mean, it's good for what I needed it for. I wasn't asked for perfect. I just wanted to be cleaned up a little better than what it was. So it did. So right now I'm about to show you guys what I got and what are we gonna need for today as far as tools. So these are the things you're gonna need today for the rear diff transfer. So size 14 socket. I guess this is a 1/2 inch drive. I found my pulley. I don't know if I'm gonna need that or not, but I found my pulley. I brought that. Gonna need that to put the solid mounts in. Couple of washers, size 12 wrench. I have a longer one. I don't know where I put it at right now. I got the socket, gasket maker, rubber hammer, and of course you need gloves and possibly a towel if you don't want to mess up your rear diff. But let me take this time out real quick to show you that the stuff that came in. So I'm gonna grab a box each video, so until we whittle down to almost nothing. Here we got right here the new rear axles for the 350Z diff, and I'm gonna use these GKTech solid mount bushings today. So that's gonna be the 2 products we're gonna mess with. Stay tuned for the rest of these other products and these other boxes if you guys are wondering. So let's get started in doing this job. I'll let y'all guys know right now the camera might cut on and cut off because I need both hands and most of this time, and it's just me right now filming. First thing first, I'm gonna take these bolts off the backing plate all the way around, set the backing plate down here, and put the gasket maker on here. Let it sit for a little bit. I'm going to put it on both ends, smooth it out on both sides, on the diff and on the cover. And like I said, I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes before I put it back on here. To let that dry on the diff and the diff cover. So right now I want to get started on these solid mounts, but that diff is still, I'm gonna let it sit for a few more minutes, guys. So let's get into, move this, today's diff, these solid mounts. Tell you guys the truth, I guess, for what I hear, I don't know, They say you should put these inside the freezer for like 24 hours, and they'll shrink or something like that. But I didn't do that, so I'm going to try it without it. This is my first time seeing it. It's you guys' first time looking at this, I guess. Some of y'all probably had a couple of these. I don't know. My first time. But yeah, let me get ready to open that up and show y'all guys what it looks like. Huh, send me a nice sticker. Okay. Save that. Throw these popcorn chicken back in here. So, these are the solid mounts. They look pretty good. I like them. I just came across a problem though, guys. All this hardware right here I basically brought, I can't use it. So I will be returning that, except for these washers. I don't think I'm gonna be able to use that either. I look like that's big as hell. Yeah, well, not big enough. And I can't even use the mount, well, the engine pulley mount. But I did find a solution. So these came off of my solid mounts that I got from Ed. And apparently it's big enough to cover over top of that. So that's cool. Just gotta find nuts on the other end for me to pull that through. So that's cool. Yeah, so that's the thing I discovered just now. Didn't even know. What I should have done was open up a box and took this to Home Depot with me, but oh well, you live and you learn. That's what I say. But let me put this diff cover on here now, and I'll turn you guys back on when we start putting in the solid mounts on here. Got the diff cover on right now, as you can see. I'm going to let that settle for a little while and get started on taking the bolts off of that. This part of my build is going to be tricky because the way you got to mount the solid mounts, I'll show you guys real quick on here. You see how that is? And it's just enough wiggle room, and you got to mount it just right so that way you got the bolt going up to the hole. But yeah, let me get started taking off the bolts on this bad boy. So if I'm not mistaken, guys, 12 right here, right? 12 right here. Like I said, I got a longer 12. I just gotta find it. And I gotta put something somewhere to keep these axles from spinning when I go to bust to go ahead and get ready to unloosen it. So you know what I guys gonna do. Turn you guys back on when I got the axle bolts out. So I got all the drive shaft axle bolts. I'm sorry, I got all of the axle bolts out, and that's easily to pop out. That's easily to pop off. But enough worrying about this. I needed the bolts off of here, and I actually need the bolts off of that. Get this diff out, which I'm about to go ahead and flip this whole thing over and see what that is as we speak. I'll probably turn it up on the side because I can't, because I got this in a way. But yeah, once I do that and get the bolts off of that, I should be able to bring the other diff over and line it up on the new one. So ladies and gentlemen, I got the two bolts out right here. That one bolt right here is out. The axles is loose. But I'm coming to a new problem, ladies and gentlemen. I can't get the axle off the spindle because I need a 36 millimeter socket, and I don't have that right now. And I should be able to get my 5-low conversion off of here, so I have to wait on that until I get paid to to get that. But that still ain't stopping us from putting this transfer case, this rear end diff on the back of my subframe. So I'm about to make room now and get ready to do that. So this is the way it's supposed to be going, but as you can see, it's somewhat off. I didn't, center mount it completely good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this solid mount in here and hopefully show you guys how to do this. Don't know if this is gonna be 110% accurate, but I'm willing to give it a shot. So as you can see, the method worked. I like that method better. Put you guys on the time lapse for that method, so hopefully you guys will be able to use that method. And I also use some of the washers. So I'm about to bolt this up. Well, put that there, and then I gotta see how this goes. And we go from there, putting the solid mounts on that. So just want to address this to you. I picked it up off the floor, made it a little higher for myself, but my worst fear came true. I put them both in, right? But one is slightly off than the other. This one's right, that one's wrong. Man, so I gotta bang them both back out and put it in correctly. So I guess I'll pick up on this video sometime this week and try to finish that out, which we will be installing the rear axles right after we put that in, and go from there and take off the spindles, the 5 lug conversion, and put it on here. We're just gonna keep pushing forward. Sucks, man. The one thing I didn't want to happen happened. But things happen. Until next time, take care.